Hey everyone, Richard here with thewirelesshaven.com. We're going to go over turning off your Wi-Fi radios. Go to your chosen set IP address for your web login. Enter in your password and log into your router. Once logged in, we're going to navigate over to the menu under Network, Wireless. Here you'll see your Wi-Fi radios, SSIDs. In line with those will be a button that says Disable. For the 2.4 gigahertz, click on that one. It will apply it. Take a few seconds and then run down to the bottom part where the 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi SSID is. Click on Disable. That will take a few seconds. Once the last setting changes, you'll notice that everything shows that it's disabled. You click on the Save and Apply button over on the right side, and you'll see that the change is already applied. Thank you. This is Richard with thewirelesshaven.com.